Okay, the first thing we're going to do is pat our chicken thighs dry, and then we're going to just trim off some of this excess fat and silver skin that's not too nice to chew on. Then we're going to just lay out a couple layers of plastic wrap, put our chicken in between them, and we're going to smash them with a meat tenderizer. Use the side that has those little spikes on it if you have one of those. Then it creates those nice little divots for all the chicken shake to gather in. Okay, then we're going to put another teaspoon of onion powder, chili powder, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, I like that smoky flavor, and some cayenne pepper. Then we're going to add in a quart of vitamin D whole milk buttermilk. And now we're just going to, oh, we forgot to put about 20 cranks of the peppermill into this buttermilk marinade, and just stir this around until all those beautiful, delicious spices are incorporated into the buttermilk. And then we're going to lay all of our chicken thighs in this buttermilk. Make sure you completely submerge them. Okay, and we're going to cover that and put it in the fridge for 24 hours. Okay, our breading for our chicken consists of onion powder, chili powder, smoked paprika, cayenne, oregano, salt, and garlic powder, and black pepper, flour, and of course potato starchy. So we're just going to pull it right out of the buttermilk mixture. Try to squeege a little bit off, and then that's what you want right there. You want those little hangy bits. And then we'll throw it in a 350-degree oil. And woof, it's looking awesome already. Give it a little turn halfway through. This cooks up pretty quick since we flattened it, and it is perfection. So what we're going to do now is just add a little bit of salt as soon as we pull it out of the oil, so that salt sticks right on the oil.